Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can lock apps with Face ID. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you simply have to go ahead, long press on a particular app. Let's say this is the one, long press on it and tap on require Face ID, and then tap on require Face ID, let it scan, and now it's done. Now whenever you tap on this app, it will require Face ID, and then finally the app will open. Again, for you to do so, simply have to long press on that particular app, and then simply go ahead, tap on require Face ID, and if you want to remove, you can again tap on the app like that and tap on don't require Face ID. It will scan on top, and there you go, the Face ID has been removed. It's that easy. Again, simply go ahead, open up your phone, get the app, long press, tap on require Face ID, there we go. Now when we open, it will scan it, it will open up like that. When you want to turn it off, long press, tap on don't require Face ID, and there we go. That's it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.